First of all, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would definitely like to say that being a part of the Tag Heuer family um, has been a matter of immense pride for me, most of all. More than anything, to be a part of a brand which strives for success, has achieved it in more ways than one, and so much to so many people, especially young achievers like me, who wearing a Tag Heuer watch just makes you feel that you've achieved something in life, and I feel that at this very moment, standing on this dais with these two wonderful achievers and successes. And I would just like to say thank you, Ravi, and thank you, Shahrukh, for making me a part of this family. Thank you very much.
Well, how about... Okay. Priyanka, since you're the newest brand ambassador and we have you here, tell us about, are you a racing fan? Do you enjoy racing?
Sorry, my mic doesn't work, but yes, I do. I was in fact just discussing with Shahrukh how, speed, time is of such importance, essence, while sitting in that car, and the fact that it is incredibly difficult and so taxing. And in fact, our youngest brand ambassadors who just joined us, Lewis Hamilton and Fernando Alfonso are, and the fact that they drive these cars, I've always been very excited by the whole thing, and I hope someday I can actually sit in one of them. Not drive it, it'll still take some courage to do that, but yeah, actually sit in one of them. And I'm sure you can figure that for me.
Maybe we'll get a driver, a chauffeur-driven Formula 1 car.
Sure. I wouldn't mind that somehow. That's very la-di-da. Yeah, he's driven.
You have driven a race car?
No. I don't know if it's now known as that, but a Formula 3 or a F3 it was called earlier, and I've gone down a long time back during Bazigar. And I remember driving that car around Madras, and it starts with S, big name. Sira Perambadu. Siri Perambadu, yeah. That's where they have a racing car. So I've driven it for about a couple of days. It's a scary experience. Yeah,
to say the least, I'm sure. Well, ladies and gentlemen of the media, any more?
I'd really like to see what you are. Wow. Okay, I still can't. But would you like to ask that first?
I'm here.
Respecting each other's time is most important. So I think time is very, very important in anybody's life in today's day and age, especially when you're racing against time for everything that you do. And if there was anything that I would change in time, but there's so many things that you can list that you would want to change. I would want to make sure that I was born about 40 years ago, or maybe just 10 years back. But of more serious effects, there would be 100 million things that I could do if I could change in the world. Picking one of them would be really unfair, I think, because it would be saying that the others are not important enough.